Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The euro dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
There is no sign Microsoft plans to limit Crowdstrike's access to the Windows operating system after a global tech outage caused by the cybersecurity software product caused many computers running Windows to crash. Gold prices rose as the dollar slipped, with investors' focus shifting to US economic data due this week for more signals on the timing of the central bank's interest rate cuts. Spot gold was up 0.1%. Bitstamp will begin distributing crypto to Mt. Gox creditors on July the 25th after receiving a large transfer of assets from the trustees of the collapsed exchange a day earlier. The Mt. Gox trustees transferred 5,106 Bitcoin directly to Bitstamp and 2,869 BTC to an unknown address that ended up in wallets associated with Bitstamp.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. The US Gross Domestic Product Price Index at 12:30 GMT. The US Gross Domestic Product Annualized at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 7 GMT. The US Durable Goods Orders at 12:30 GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 8 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.